Alright, this is a sound test for the Rr24xt. I'm using a Spider 4, 150 watt, line 6 amp. I'm going to play a couple of Children of Bodom for you guys because I'm a big Bodom fan. You can tell by the guitar. So I'm going to play Blood Drunk and a couple other songs so you guys can kind of get an idea of what this guitar sounds like. I'm going to do some pinch harmonics. I'm not real good at them on this guitar for some reason, but on my Explorer I can do better, and I'll probably upload some videos later of me playing it. Well, that's pretty much it. Comment, subscribe if you want me to cover any songs or anything like that. Just let me know. Comment. Sorry, I know I might have fucked up on there a couple of times, but I mean, give me a break. I mean, I just had a daughter like 3 weeks ago, so and I don't have all the time in the world to do this because I'm constantly wrist deep and poopy. So, anyways, just comment. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions about the guitar or anything like that, just ask me.